How to fix Xiaomi 15 Bluetooth audio not working. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, you can see the option Bluetooth. Now click on it. Now here you can turn on or off your Bluetooth. After turning on or off your Bluetooth, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume up button and power button at the same time like that. And then swipe up to power off your device and then turn on your device again. After that, open settings and then click on more connectivity options and then click on reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. Now here you can reset your network settings. After reset the network settings, then go back and click on about phone and then click on Xiaomi Hyper OS. Now here you can check your updates. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.